Another season of Minecraft survival, guys. The world I played recently got corrupted sa sobrang tagal ko din naglaro. Pero joke lang, binura ko na talaga yan. But as you can see, I'm building my starter house for my villagers. Priority ko kasi sila yung magbibigay sa akin ng mga resources sa early game. Bali pala guys, this whole video is just a bunch of time-lapse clips. I can't record in OBS kasi wala pa akong mic. Kaya tamang salita lang tayo habang nagta-time-lapse yung mga video. Tulad nito, tamang landscape lang tayo sa itatayo nating mine entrance. Yan. Bilisan pa natin. What I'm building there is my storage shed. Itong village na to yung parang magsisilbi na starter base natin. Pero gagawa pa rin tayo syempre ng sarili nating bahay. Here is our mine entrance. There is already a hole down to the bottom of the caves. This building contains a lava farm, a storage for our ores, and a blast furnaces. Sa gilid ng mine entrance, gumawa ako ng maliit na wheat field para may pakain ako sa mga kalabaw. A little bit of greenery in my storage shed and mine entrance. I added this custom oak tree. At the back of mine entrance, I also added a small custom pine tree. Matapos ang ilang oras na pag-decorate sa ating area, I also cleared the Vanilla Village to landscape our area, but we will do it later on. And for the final detail, Yung front ng base natin ay lalagyan ko ng makukulay na bulaklak at wheat field. Then may wheat field na sa gilid, lalagyan ko pa ulit doon sa taas. Yan. Well done. Ayan, di ba? Napaka-colorful ng ating front entrance. Yung bubong ng bahay ng nasa left side, iwawax pa natin yan for next episode. For the next episode, gagawa tayo ng honey farm. Dumako naman tayo sa ibang section ng ating build. Sa gilid ng bahay ay meron tayong source of food and leather. Medyo makalat lang, nasa gitna yung nether portal, tsaka yung enchantment table, nakabalandra lang. Pero sinisigurado ko na for the next episode, ilalagay na natin sila sa tamang lugar. So ito naman yung ginawa nating 4 na custom tree, isang oak tree at 3 small pine tree. Ayan, diba? Napakaganda. The best. Ayan, ibang angulo naman. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, merong bangka doon. Ayun ay isang weaponsmith na villager. Ginawa ko siyang zombie kasi gusto ko ng discount. Okay? Ayan yung storage doon yung crafting table, tsaka yung stone cutter, diba? Para alam mo yun, madali ka makapag-craft. So, yun guys. And that's all for our episode 1. I hope you enjoy our episode 1. And it may take time to make an episode 2 because I'm super duper busy. So, guys, thank you. Thank you so much. Love you all.